What makes Pelican different, what I like to say is that we are big enough to take care of your needs, but we're small enough to care.
Hello, my name is Brian. I'm with Pelican Fueling. I do outside sales.
My name's Quentin. Specialize mostly in food grade industrial lubes. A lot of times people will call us because they're looking to decrease their downtime and look for longer service intervals, and that's why they'll call us, is because we can provide that for them. Our customers expect us to answer the phone when they call. They expect us to help them find solutions to their problems. They expect us to be on time, and they expect us to be a partner.
People call me when they need fuel, they need oil, or they need a special gear lube for their tractors. We have it all. We can usually get to you the same day, or if not the next day.
Some of the solutions that we've been able to provide is helping some of our industrial and food grade customers move from about a 4-hour greasing cycle to an 8-hour greasing cycle. By doing that, we are able to take that lubricator and move him to other more critical areas and push that greasing cycle way out. What we're able to do is go in and do a site survey for them, find those critical areas, and also find hard to reach areas. And we can provide a single point automatic lubricator for that. We can provide fully certified NSF registered H1 products for every single application inside of a food plant, from gear oils to grease, all the way to refrigeration oils and air compressor oils. We can also provide a tank monitoring system. We can monitor pretty much everything. We can do gas, diesel, lubricants, and chemicals. But if they have any sort of a bulk storage container at all, we can put a monitor on that, and we can monitor those levels, or we can get the product there to them when they need it most without them having to worry about it.
We also have farmers that call, their pump is down. We'll send a guy out to keep them going, or send a different fuel source out to keep our customer going. My job is to keep my customer going, and I'll do what it takes.
You're not just a number, and we really can provide the solutions that the customer needs.
One thing that sets us apart from our competitors is our customer service, and also we have tank rentals and different deals that we can check on, especially during your harvest. We will be checking on your fuel, tank monitors, and everything.
We like to be a long-term partner that is helping them improve their overall operation and not just sell them something and leave.
Here at Pelican Fueling, I take a lot of pride in my customers, getting my product, my fuel, and everything out there on time, and I'll be there to check for you. Anything you need, please let me know. We're here for you.